Ladies, did you know your favorite sneakers, your workout gear, and even your Peloton are getting more expensive? And it has nothing to do with inflation. It's because of something most people aren't talking about, the global trade war, and it's hitting your health and fitness hard. Hey, my name is Shane. I'm a personal trainer and nutrition coach. I help busy women simplify health and nutrition so to make better informed decisions when it comes to their overall health and well-being, getting results without stress or confusion. Today, we're breaking down how international trade and tariffs are driving up the price of everything from leggings and dumbbells to your favorite at-home fitness gear, and even basic healthcare tools like blood pressure monitors. I'm going to show you what brands are made overseas, which ones are made in the US, and how you can make smarter choices that support your goals and your budget. Let's keep it simple. When the US adds tariffs, basically extra tax on products made in other countries, the prices go up when it hits our shelves. That includes sneakers, workout gear, dumbbells, resistance bands, treadmills, at-home bikes like Peloton, and even healthcare tools like glucose monitors or thermometers. So if you've been wondering why your favorite gym gear is suddenly way more expensive, this is why. Here's where some of the most popular brands are made and why their prices are going up. Sneakers and apparel. Nike, made in Vietnam, China, and Indonesia. Adidas, or Adidas some people call it, China and Vietnam. Puma, Cambodia, China and Vietnam. Skechers, China and Vietnam. Lululemon, mostly in Asia. Under Armour, Vietnam, China, and Jordan. In-home and gym equipment, like Peloton, was going to be built in Ohio but backed out, still made in Taiwan. Live Fitness, parts from China and Hungary. Tecmo Gym, made in Italy. Nautilus and Bowflex, often built in Asia. NordicTrack or Proform, made in China and Taiwan. Precor, some US presence, but most parts are from overseas. Healthcare tools, Omron, iHealth, A&D Medical, blood pressure monitors and glucose tools, made in Japan, China, and Taiwan. CPAP machines, thermometers, mobility aids, mostly manufactured overseas. Now, if you want to shop smarter and support US jobs, here are the brands to check out. Here's the sneakers and apparel, made in the USA. New Balance, select styles, make sure to look for made in the US on the labels. America Giant, comfy, durable gym gear made start to finish in the US. Carhartt Force, wear style activewear made in the US. There's some fitness equipment. Rogue Fitness, strength gear, barbells, racks made in Ohio. Sorinex, high-end gym equipment made in South Carolina. Power Blocks, some models, adjustable dumbbells made in the US. Body Solid US line, strength machines made domestically. So here's why this matters. If you're trying to live healthier but feel like everything is getting more expensive, from sneakers to blood pressure cuffs, you're not imagining it, but you're not powerless either. Knowing where your products are made helps you shop smarter, support American jobs, possibly avoid delays and hidden fees, and make better decisions that align with your values. Hopefully all this settles down soon and things return to normal, because your health shouldn't be held back by politics or supply chains. Until then, make the best of it with smart choices and a little extra awareness and a whole lot of strength. If this gave you something to think about, share with another strong woman in your life. Need help with your fitness or nutrition goals? Feel free to check out my free guides below, and also feel free to schedule a free online consult. All the information found below. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this helpful, be sure to share it with someone who might need to hear this message. Remember, prioritizing yourself is a choice you never regret. I'll see you next time.